Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is a quickie. This is my bathroom faucet. This brand of this is Moen. My opinion on Moen, they're kind of in the middle, I guess. They're not terrible. They're not great. I might have to order parts, and I'll put something down in the comments and pin it if I have to order parts. Anyway, this is just a quickie. See, this has got loose here. The rest of the faucet is pretty much okay, but it got loose. I'm just going to show you how to tighten that up. It's all underneath. Get a light. I got a couple of channel locks. There's actually a specialized wrench to do this, but I don't have it, and I'm not gonna buy one for this one little job. Excuse me for grunting and groaning. I'm not a plumber, so I'm not gonna buy a $25-50 wrench for this. So here it is. Oof, sorry. Focus. All right, right here is a nut. Jeez, I can't get a focus. Sorry. There. All right, see that nut is loose right there? And that's what holds the top side of the faucet tight. It's actually hand loose. So you can see it's a really big, skinny, special plumbing hex nut. I'm going to try and get my channel locks on there and move it. I'm only going to move it like not even a half a turn, maybe a quarter of a turn from hand tight, maybe a quarter of a turn, and it's going to be really, really tight. Okay, so I'm going to need two hands and get my wrench up there, but I'm describing to you exactly what I'm going to do, okay? And like I said, there's a special tool to tighten these. I don't have it. Okay, I'm going to try and give you one shot of how I've got the wrench. Come on, I have so much trouble with focus. You know what? Because everything that's closer, like that silver pipe, it's focusing on that. There, okay. See, my channel locks are up on either side of that brass nut. And you can't get a full turn all the way around it, obviously, because the supply pipe is in the way there, the supply hose, and the sink is in the way here. And there's a piece of wood in the way there. So there's only one little area where you can get a grip on it and turn a little bit. So it's just, I'm not doing it, but I'm describing it to you. You get a grip on it, turn it a little bit, then try and get another grip on it, turn it a little bit more. Anyway, I got it tight. Let's go up to the other side and see which way the handle is pointing. So I suspected the handle actually didn't move too far at all. So now it's tight. It works. And the other one stayed tight. So I'm just even that out a little bit so it looks even with the other side. I can move it a little bit and the whole nut and everything will just move because it's like a sandwich with the sink in the middle of it. Okay, so that was it. That was pretty easy. Now the other problem I have, and I'm going to do a different video on this, is this I think is just worn out. I'm not sure there's any replacement or adjustment inside of this. So I happen to have an extra one there because I bought some parts a while ago. So I'm going to show you how to take that off of there and screw the new one on. I don't think it's going to be too bad, but I'm not 100% sure. And like I said, it's going to be a separate video, okay? Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.